Hey boys and girls, welcome back. I hope you're having a great week. Ready to move on to our next lesson, which is lesson 38, possessive pronouns. And in your book, it's on page 172. So if you have a pencil, a highlighter, if you would like to use it in your book so you can follow along. We're still sticking with the squares. So that's where you might want to highlight with me. So again, we're on page 172, and I'm just going to read that top box like we always do. Okay, a possessive noun shows who or what owns or has something. A possessive pronoun takes the place of a possessive noun. Okay, so I think the examples help here. That's kind of a lot there. So here, Maria's heroes are firefighters. So Maria is our noun, Maria's heroes are firefighters. So the way we can change that with a possessive pronoun is her. Her heroes are firefighters. So I've said the same thing, I've just replaced Maria's. Okay, and moving on to another one if that was confusing. Actors are the boys' heroes. Okay, in this case, we're replacing the boys. Actors are their heroes. Okay? So I've kind of left that in blue so you can look at. So the possessive pronoun in the first one is her, and in the second one it's their. Okay, moving down to our second square, the possessive pronouns below are used before nouns. Okay, so here's your possessive pronouns. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now, I want to show you one more thing. I want you to look at its. We're going to come back and talk about that. Notice it does not have an apostrophe. So my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Okay? Now moving on to more examples. I've got my other little board right here. Okay. Do you and your classmates know any heroes? And my brother is famous for his home run record in Little League. So in this case, the possessive pronouns came before the nouns, okay? So your came before the nouns, classmates. And his came before, it's really record, home run record. This tells us what kind of record in the Little League. Okay, so your and his, and then right here, do not use an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. That's how a lot of times with the word its, its with no apostrophe is your possessive pronoun, but it's with an apostrophe means it is. Okay, so that's the difference there. So try and remember that. This lesson I think you'll find easier than the last lesson we did. You're going to do practice A and B just like last time. Practice A, you're simply going to write the possessive pronoun in each sentence. So you're going to read it. The possessive pronoun is in the sentence. You're just going to locate it. You don't have to underline it or circle it. Just write it on the line. Then for part B, it says rewrite the second sentence in each pair. Replace the word or words in dark print with a possessive pronoun. The first one is done for you. I'm going to go ahead and read over that example for you. Number 1, Jill loves tall tales. The tales make-believe heroes have fantastic adventures. So all you're going to do is the second sentence, okay? You don't have to do anything with the first, but you're going to change from the tales make-believe heroes have fantastic adventures to their make-believe heroes have fantastic adventures, okay? So when you see what's in dark print, you're going to replace that with a possessive pronoun and write the sentence. You really only will have the first one's done for you, so you'll have 5 to do on your own, okay? So once you finish that, go back to the next link and you can check your work with me. Okay, thank you, bye.